Got glitter on my lens. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a blue inspired makeup look. This came to my head when I was trying to get to sleep. Like everything pretty much comes to my head when I'm trying to sleep. Started thinking about songs again, but now I've got a boyfriend, even though I've had him for 4 years. Been that long since I've been songwriting, that's no relevance to this video whatsoever. As you can tell, I've not filmed in a while. Don't really wear makeup anymore neither. I only wear mascara. So today we are going to be doing something that I've not actually done before. I don't really play with blue makeup. Every time I do a blue makeup look, I love it. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be doing like a really vibrant blue on the, like is it halo eye? And then in the middle like a really light blue. We'll see how it goes anyway. I'm going to be using this as well. This is the Grwm liquid highlighter, and I've seen a few people use this. I thought it came in different colours but it didn't, it just came in one according to the ASOS website, so I just bought it. So we'll see what that looks like. I've had this lipstick for quite a while. This is a NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in Alien. I thought it was Stone Fox, it's not, it's Alien. I've not used this one, but I've always wanted to use it, so that's what we're going to be doing today. Been so long since I've done my makeup that I've actually put everything away. And I am very tempted to put blue on my lips as well, but I'm not gonna. Because it's a new lipstick, I want to try it on its own. And actually, you know what? Today I might actually use this that I got free in a magazine when I went on holiday. I got an Elle magazine and it came with a free mascara. This is the Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit. I've heard a lot of talk on it, not so much reviews. I don't know whether it's meant to be good, whether it's meant to be bad. I'm assuming it's meant to be okay because it's not been raved about like my favourite one, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. But by the looks of the images on here, it looks pretty good, so we shall see what it's like. And I don't usually like Benefit mascaras, so yeah. Okay, so we're going to start off by applying this Okay, so I'm going to begin by applying the NYX concealer that I'm not right keen on, but since I'm a bit tanned it might look alright on me today. The only reason I'm not really keen on it is the applicator. I do miss doing makeup an awful lot, but it's just so warm outside in England lately. I can't handle it. It's getting to like 29 degrees like every day. It's like been like that for about a month straight. No. Well, I mean today apparently got to about 24, but still it's warm. Can't cope. So I'm going to begin by setting the concealer just with this shade here. This is from the Contour palette. I don't really use this shade. I only really use it if I want like a sort of neutral base. Because I'm working with bold colours, I don't usually work with, I don't want to go too out there at the beginning. I want to work my way around it. So this is the Grwm Cheeks Chisel and Contour Kit, if anyone is wondering. And next I'm going to be moving on to the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking Suede, which is that colour down in the bottom corner-ish. And I'm just going to be taking it with the same brush, sort of applying that on top. And because on me this colour is a little bit darker, that's why I've not put it straight on there. I've sort of gradually put it on. But this is sort of the colour that we want to be sort of smoking out a little bit. So even though it's light, even though it's like dark on me, you put a bold colour on top, it's sort of still there. So you can just sort of smoke it out a little bit. Don't really know what I'm talking about. Currently a million degrees. I want to put the fan on, but then you won't hear a word I'm saying. I mean, you might as well not hear, because as I say, don't know what I'm talking about. So basically you want to try and make yourself look like, is it Hector? Is his name Hector from the Addams Family? Hey Siri, who's the small guy in the Addams Family?
Okay, give me a moment. Okay, I found something on the web for who is the smallest guy in the Addams Family. Take a look.
Why is he speaking so weird? Basically, it's Uncle Fester. But why is Siri speaking so weird? Hey Siri, why's your voice gone funny?
I thought so.
Then, next we're going to be moving on to the blues. This is where I don't know what I'm doing. Going to be using the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette. And I'm going to be taking those two blues. So starting off with the bolder blue, just sort of packing it on. That is not the bright I wanted it to be. Anyway, taking it underneath and take it all the way across. Might look alright in end. Oh god. Sort of going to do a cut crease, but not really a cut crease. So I'm gonna take my concealer again, and I'm just gonna take my finger actually, sort of dab it, blend it in, keeping it in that spot. I'm just gonna go straight in there with the brighter blue. The two blues that I am using are called, the one that I've just used is called Mink, and the other one is called Blindsided, which we are going to be moving on to now. So we're just gonna put that on top. This is my favourite one. I'm smoking it in a bit. Oh no, I don't like moths. So now we're gonna try and see what happens when we put highlight on top. And if this works, we can continue. It's not worked. Right. Gonna go wash this off and start again. Alright guys, so we're back. And I've just done my base and the same colour that I used in here, I don't know, base shade. Going back into the Urban Decay palette, we're going to skip the dark colour this time. I'm going to straight in with that one. Trust me, I've got ideas. Going to be taking the same blending brush as before, wipe it on your hand a bit, blend that out as much as you possibly can. I don't think it's going to do anything, but you never know. So now it's just a matter of going back and forth with the bright colour just to keep the intensity, and I've just realised that I've got another shade that I can put in the middle as well, so that makes it 10 times better. There we go, and moving on to concealer again. Now I'm going to try this time to take my little pen brush. I don't know how this is going to work, if it's going to work or anything, but I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, sort of draw over that, and then in a minute I'm going to sort of try and blend it out a bit. Well, that kind of works. I mean, it's not really even, but it'll do. So next we're going to be moving on, like I said, to this palette here, and we're going to take Rock Blue, which is that really bright, shimmery, highlighty blue colour. I'm going to apply that using this brush. If that fails, I'll think of another method. Oh no, it's going alright. Okay, so now we are going to go in with a black kohl eyeliner. I'll see you in a minute with black eyes. Before I forget, we're now going to move into the highlighter. We're just going to be focusing on that baby blue. If I can find this palette, I really doubt I can because it is very old. I will link it below. But we're just going to be obviously popping that in the inner corner. And then we'll do the brow bone after because I've not done my brows yet. This is so much better than the dark version. I am going to be, you know what, I'm not going to do what I was going to plan on doing. because I think it looks alright. So next we're going to be, God, look at the state of my white eyeliner, I've just realised, look at that. So next I guess we're going to move on to the mascara. So again I'm going to be using this new mascara, if I can get into the box that is. Yep, got in there, we're good. Mini tester version, that's what it looks like. Oh, you can't really see. And I'll just open this for you. Ooh, I have previously used the Benefit, I can't remember the name of it, the one that went really viral years ago. It's in a silver. I'm gonna do my eyebrows after I've done my foundation, because I always end up putting my foundation over my eyebrows because I cannot do makeup. I nearly lost my mascara then. Oh my god, no, seriously. Have you seen that? I really don't want a new favourite because I love, mind you, it is going a little bit clumpy, but the length on that is incredible. Pretty damn good if I do say so myself. So yeah, next we're going to be moving on to concealer again and then foundation, and as usual this concealer, whilst it still exists in my life, might as well use it. Then next we're going to be moving on to this foundation. This is my summer foundation, the Born This Way concealer foundation. I'm just going to pop it on top of here, and although I have got a lot of highlight there, I don't know how it's going to react, but whatever. Give me a healthy glow, won't it? This is the first time I've worn foundation in ages. I can't remember the last time I did wear foundation. Oh, it must have been on holiday at the beginning of this month. I love this blue so much. It's like my favourite shade of blue ever. Yeah, I'll keep a shade of blue. There's nothing I can do. Far away, far away. I'm just going to take the Cover FX translucent powder and just sort of set my face with it. In fact, so now I'm going to be moving on to the eyebrows. Now I have changed the way I do my eyebrows. Before I just sort of filled them in a bit, but now I focus on the arch. So I do that sort of like brush it off a little bit just to make it less intense, and then I go to the top and I sort of accentuate the arch a little bit, and then sort of like blend it in the middle like that. Zoom in a bit more. Oh, you're flashing now. 1 minute. Change battery time. And then once I've done that, I sort of, where's my brush? I sort of raise my eyebrow, gradually working from the middle, work my way over to the very end. Oh no, that's too high. That is too high. Oh Emma, what have you done? This is why Emma Henry should not teach people how to do eyebrows. Let's try again. Rubs off alright, isn't it? Right, we'll go with that. Alright guys, so I've just let my camera cool down a bit. So back on form now. Next step is to use a spoolie brush to just brush out your eyebrows. I don't usually do my eyebrows this full on, just like every day, because it is a bit too intense. Go for a bushy look. And next up we're going to just take some Rimmel brow gel just to set them in place. So I wasn't going to put any eyelashes on, but I just can't resist. So today I'm going to be taking the Kimberly Walsh eyelashes. I'm just going to clean them up a bit and then I'll show you what they look like. Alright guys, so these are the lashes. They're just some really wispy ones, kind of like the Ardell ones, but eyeliner version. But I'm just going to pop these on off camera because I take forever putting them on, so I'll be back with you in a second. Swear to God guys, every time I use these lashes or I wear these lashes, they're just amazing. I love them so much. Look, they're my favourites. They've got to be my favourites. So next we are moving on to the highlights again. Keep losing my voice. Blaming it on the hay fever. We're going to dip into rock blue again, just to highlight up here. Genuinely kind of forgot earlier. Sorry. What I also nearly forgot to do is contour, so that's what we're going to be doing now. So I'm going to be taking the brush that I always take. I'm not going to be doing any bronzer today. I want to keep it cool toned, even though this is kind of, I don't even know what this is really, but it is deep, so we'll go with it. This is from this palette, the end one. This is the only contour that I do. So next we're going to be moving on to the highlight once again, and we're going to be taking this brush. This is one of the Real Techniques ones, and just a bit up here. So before I forget, we are now going to be moving on to the lipstick. Okay, my eyelash is falling off, this is not good. I am so excited to try this. You have no idea. There's one more thing. My eyelashes are literally doing my head in. Are you being serious? Stop falling off. So we're back. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what videos you'd like to see next. And yes, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.